Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play paper. EO2. To begin, you control a small snake-like character on a large map. Your main goal is to claim as much territory as possible. You do this by drawing lines with your snake and then connecting them back to your existing colored area. Be careful, though, if another player crosses your line while you are drawing, you will be eliminated. Also, touching your own tail will end your game, so plan your moves wisely. Expanding your territory is key to winning in paper. EO2. Focus on capturing neutral white space first to steadily increase your size. You can also try to enclose smaller, unowned sections to quickly add them to your domain. However, remember that the further you extend your line from your safe zone, the more vulnerable you become. Always be aware of your surroundings and other players' movements to avoid being cut off. Paper, EO2 isn't just about growing. It's also about strategy and interaction. You can eliminate other players by crossing their lines while they are outside their territory. This is a great way to reduce competition and gain their land. Conversely, defend your own borders by staying within your colored area as much as possible. If an opponent manages to take some of your land, you can always try to reclaim it by drawing new lines and re-enclosing the area. For advanced play, consider using speed boosts strategically. These can help you make quick escapes from dangerous situations or launch surprise attacks on unsuspecting opponents. Pay close attention to other players' patterns. Understanding their typical movements can give you a significant advantage. Remember, practice makes perfect in paper. EO2. Also, for those looking to improve their financial game, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.